Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm simply going to show you how to post photos or videos to Threads. Now, if you just download it and install the new Threads app and you just want to share a photo or a video from there, I'm simply going to show you how to do that. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, simply hoop towards your Threads mobile application. So, the first thing is that you need to do is to make sure that Threads app has access to your photo gallery. For that, you have to exit this, head towards your phone settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on where it says app. In the apps, you simply have to search for Threads. Here you will get the option of permission, so go ahead and tap on that. Now you simply have to enable the permission of files and media. After that, again head towards your Threads app. After that, you simply have to tap on this middle button, write any of the text which you want to write. After that, in order to add a photo or a video, you simply have to tap on this little pen icon. After that, it will open up your library. From the library, you can select any of the photo or a video that you want to add to your thread. And after that, once you are done, simply tap on done at the top of the screen, tap on post, and you can also select the privacy setting by simply tapping on your followers can reply. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.